When we dive into the world of automation, the debate between PLCs and DCS systems often comes up. So, is there really a difference left? Well, yes and no. When we talk about PLCs and DCS, it's essential to understand their core functions. PLCs, or Programmable Logic Controllers, are designed for discrete control tasks, like managing machinery on a factory floor. They excel in speed and reliability, making them perfect for applications that require quick responses. On the other hand, DCS, or distributed control systems, are more about process control. They manage complex processes across large systems, like in oil refineries or chemical plants. DCS systems provide a centralized view of operations, allowing for better monitoring and control of multiple processes simultaneously. But here's the twist. Modern PLCs are evolving. They're now incorporating features that were once exclusive to DCS, such as advanced networking and data analytics. Meanwhile, DCS systems are becoming more user-friendly and adaptable, blurring the lines even further. Now, the lines between PLCs and DCS have blurred over the years. Modern PLCs have evolved to handle more complex tasks, incorporating features traditionally associated with DCS, such as advanced data handling and networking capabilities. Meanwhile, DCS systems have become more user-friendly and can integrate with PLCs, creating hybrid systems that leverage the strengths of both. In today's landscape, the choice between PLC and DCS often comes down to the specific application and scale of the operation. For smaller, discrete tasks, a PLC might be the way to go. But for larger, continuous processes, a DCS could provide the necessary oversight and control. Ultimately, it's about finding the right tool for the job, as both technologies continue to evolve and adapt to meet the demands of modern industry.